Hey folks, come on over. We're gonna have a big 12-seat table for you for winter right here on my take on Home and Garden. Now guys, I promised you a table for winter. Come on over. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be fun. Let me show you what I want to use in our video today. Okay guys, so our theme for this year for winter is gold and white with crystal. So I'm going to do a quick centerpiece. We'll have a little bit of pine, a little bit of rustic, nuts and berries, and we sent out for some little mini off-white roses. We have our incredible Bavarian set of porcelain dishes with gold trim in the white with the dogwood pattern. How about tall and vintage, almost antique crystal candlesticks by Heisey? And we'll use our gold chargers today. Then we have another pair of candlesticks, vintage of course, by American Fostoria. Etched bottoms again. You know we gotta have crystal d'Arcs made in France. How about some in the Salzburg pattern with gold trim? More d'Arcs, water glasses, champagne flutes in the long champs pattern, and a cordial glass. We have 18 by 18 all cotton napkins with a crystal napkin ring. And we'll be using our gold-plated flatware today. Vintage salt and peppers, crystal, gold rimmed dessert plates. We're going to use our vintage glass domes for butter lid, butter dish, and keeper in the Madrid pattern. Sandwichware, an American Brilliant serving dishes. We'll be using a cocoa pot made in Japan. Wine decanter, crystal beauty, vintage divine. Lenox serving bowl, coffee pot, cream and sugar by Pearl in a pearlescent. Okay, hey, let's get started. Can you bear with me for 2 minutes to do this arrangement? We'll do that and get that placed first. Okay guys, we got a sweet little arrangement here. Anybody can do it. I'm sure you'll agree. 2 little sprigs of pine. Frosty with cones. Will come up in the back with some berries. Wintry white. Little bit of baby's breath for a little bit of formal with those roses coming up. And some nutty branches for winter. You see, we're not all about color yet this time of year. Okay, 4, 8, 9, think we got a good odd number for our arrangement with roses. And these are budding roses and they're not open. We'll just get them all around pretty much evenly. And these fabulous realistic roses will keep for you over and over and over, and they even have rubbery thorns that do not hurt. And these are from your Hobby Lobby. You can just tell that Hobby Lobby quality. I sound like a commercial for them, but I do not get paid by them. One more. I think this is going to send it to the moon, this rustic little group of crabapple right in the middle. Look at this. Not overdone. We don't look like a wedding. We still look elegant and beautiful. Let me get that in the center of the table, and we've got to build our table. Well, folks, I'm convinced now, after detailing the table, I'm going to have to take you and show you all around. Okay, guys, hey, here's our winter table for today. Gold and white. Porcelain plates with dogwood. Gold plate flatware. And crystal abounds. This could be a delightful anniversary table, a ski trip, friends coming to town, and our downplayed wintry arrangement with rosebuds, berries, and pine. Folks, we hope you enjoyed our winter table for 12 this year. Get your decor on. Happy winter. Have some fun. Do some organizing. And get through with a smile on your face. Take care. Be good. See you soon.